BYD Atto 3 LED, engine and paint details. Engine/electric motor. Electric motor power, 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower. Torque, 310 Newton meters. Drive type, FWD, front-wheel drive. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, around 7.3 seconds. Battery, 60.48 kilowatt-hour blade battery. Range, up to 521 kilometers, claimed. Cardeco +1. LED light details. Sharp full LED headlamps. Stylish LED DRLs. Full-width LED rear light bar. Dynamic modern SUV lighting style. Automatic LED lighting system available in higher trims. Cardeco +1. Paint/color options. Main factory colors: Surf Blue, Ski White, Cosmos Black, Harbor Gray. Cardeco +2. Exterior design. Aerodynamic EV SUV body. Large sporty alloy wheels. Ripple-style D-pillar design. Panoramic sunroof. Flush futuristic styling inspired by sporty EVs. BYD Japan +1. Interior style. Rotating touchscreen infotainment. Ambient multicolor lighting. Gym-inspired futuristic dashboard. Leather-style seats. Large panoramic glass roof. Zigwheels.com +2 BYD Atto 3 engine details. Electric motor. Motor type, permanent magnet synchronous motor. Power, 150 kilowatts, 201 horsepower. Torque, 310 Newton meters. Drive system, front-wheel drive, FWD. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration, about 7.3 seconds. byd.inaller.com.tr+2. Battery and range. Battery type, BYD Blade Battery, LFP. Battery size, 60.48 kilowatt-hours. Range, up to 521 kilometers, claimed. Cardeco +1. Charging details. AC charging, around 6.5 to 10 hours. DC fast charging, 0 to 80% in about 29 to 50 minutes. Charging port, CCS2. byd.inaller.com.tr+2. Engineering/platform. Built on BYD e-Platform 3.0. Flat floor EV platform. Integrated 8-in-1 electric powertrain. Low center of gravity for smoother handling. YouTube +1. New 2026 Atto 3 Evo updates. Bigger 74.8 kilowatt-hour battery. Faster 220 kilowatts charging. Up to 510 kilometers WLTP range. AWD version with up to 449 horsepower. BYD Atto 3 interior details. The interior of the BYD Atto 3 is one of the most futuristic EV cabins. It uses a sporty gym-inspired design with soft materials, ambient lighting, and a large rotating screen. Wikipedia +2. Dashboard design. Wave-style dashboard with soft-touch surfaces. Multicolor stitched interior theme. Futuristic circular air vents. Metallic trim and sporty textures. Premium feel with modern EV styling. Top Gear +1. Rotating touchscreen. 12.8-inch or optional 15.6-inch rotating display. Rotates between portrait and landscape mode. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice control support. OTA software updates available. Wikipedia +1. Seats and comfort. Leather-style sporty seats. Electrically adjustable front seats. Rear AC vents. Large cabin space for passengers. Flat EV floor improves legroom. Panoramic sunroof adds airy feeling. BYD Automotive Pakistan +1. Ambient lighting. Multicolor ambient LED lighting. Door speakers light up with music. Futuristic night cabin atmosphere. Customizable lighting colors. Top gear. Unique door design. Guitar string style door pockets. Dumbbell-inspired door handles. Sports/gym themed design language. Large speaker design integrated into doors. Top Gear +1. Storage and practicality. Around 440L boot space. Rear seats fold for larger cargo area. Multiple storage compartments. Wireless charging pad in some variants. Wikipedia +1. 2026 Atto 3 Evo interior upgrades. New cleaner dashboard layout. 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster. Updated steering wheel design. Improved materials and quieter cabin. More luggage space and front trunk, frunk. Wikipedia +2 more BYD Atto 3 interior details. Cabin design theme. Interior inspired by gym and fitness equipment. Dumbbell-style door handles. Guitar string elastic door pockets. Wave pattern dashboard styling. Futuristic sporty EV atmosphere. What car? +2. Driver display and cockpit. Digital instrument cluster behind steering wheel. High seating position for better road visibility. Multifunction steering wheel. Clean EV-style center console. Electronic gear selector with crystal-style finish. Top Gear +1. Rotating infotainment screen. 12.8-inch or 15.6-inch touch screen. Rotates electrically between portrait and landscape. Navigation looks taller in portrait mode. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported. Newer Evo model removes rotating feature and adds Google built-in apps. Complete car.ie +3. Seats and passenger comfort. Vegan leather upholstery. Heated front seats. Electric seat adjustment. Flat EV floor for more legroom. Large panoramic glass roof with sunshade.